we're checking out the B-Stop replacement rear tinted window with black vinyl for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL with the soft top. If you're replacing a worn out or hazy soft top window and you want a fresh black tinted window for privacy with a factory style look, this is a seamless option that's definitely worth checking into. This OE grade replacement delivers full privacy thanks to its deep tint. It also helps reduce sun fade inside your vehicle and keeps interior temperatures more comfortable in those hot summer days. This is crafted from a high quality vinyl material with a rich black finish that resists creasing, yellowing, and UV damage, keeping its good looks even under years of sun exposure. The clarity through the window remains pretty strong despite the deep tint, maintaining visibility while shielding your Jeep from the sun and offering a bit of privacy along the way. This is manufactured as a direct replacement for the original soft top windows, and this piece uses the same materials and dimensions as the factory parts to ensure a perfect fit. This vinyl seals to the standard snaps in the soft top frame and works with the stock corner stiffener for accurate alignment and long-term durability. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming right in the upper $100 price range. That makes it a reasonable value for restoring function and the aesthetics, especially at OEM quality for a nice low price. This is going to be a straightforward installation process, rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 15 minutes of your time. Now let's see exactly how that install process goes with a video from one of our extreme terrain customers.
Today we're going to be installing the desktop replacement rear tinted window for the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon Edition. There are no tools that are required for this installation, so it's a pretty straightforward process. You've taken your top down before, you're going to be familiar with removing the rear window, so we'll get to this pretty quickly. Just a point, there is the black vinyl version of this rear window and the black twill, and you want to make sure you've got the correct version based on whatever kind of a soft top you have. This is the black vinyl version. In opening the box, I just basically tore the tape on the end rather than use any kind of a cutting tool, since you have the vinyl and the caustic rear window that is potentially pretty easily torn or cut. So this slides out fairly easily. It has a paper there just to protect the plastic. Rear window removal, fairly straightforward. Just going to open the tailgate, pull out the tailgate bar that goes across the top, and with the top still connected to the Jeep, you just slide that easily out the side. It has a track with a runner that goes inside of it. So we're just going to make sure the edge of this is underneath the top of the your soft top, and slide that out of the retaining slot up top. So that's the removal for it. We'll go ahead and insert the top into the slot first. You got to lift the edge up so that you can see the slot that the runner goes through. Align that and slide it across. For the bottom piece, we'll make sure it's aligned the way it slides in there, the bar. And on the bottom of this, you're going to find the same kind of a runner that slides into the slot. Slide that across. Again. And insert the bar into the slot. Again, make sure the top is underneath. Insert the retaining clips on the side and the bottom. On the other side, the bottom, again, most people will be familiar with that from taking the top on and off. And you have your new desktop replacement tinted rear window in place.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the B-Stop replacement rear tinted window in black vinyl for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL with a soft top. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at Extreme Terrain.